Hey guys, today I took a massive hit because I totally misread the market, fortunately on demo. I went longs on MQ till the relatively equal highs, but I was dead wrong. I completely ignored the S, which had a massive low resistance rolls on liquidity to the downside. My fatal mistake today, I prioritized weak low resistance highs to the upside and completely ignored session low resistance lows sitting just below us on ES, and it made me losing today. This video I'm gonna show the full breakdown of this trade. Enjoy! Hey guys, market just opened. Let's see what's happening. On the 30 minutes we're having London manipulation and probably New York reversal. Oh guys, we are bearish on the 4 hour. Genuinely it just happened. Bro, eventually. Okay, on the 4 hours there is nothing to target because all of the targets are like too high on the chart. And on ES, by the way, we have some draws on liquidity to the downside. Even on 4 hour, we just broke the structure to the upside on ES and haven't on Nasdaq. So yeah, we're kind of bearish for today. If you disrespect this bearish S&P, then I'd be bullish, but for now we are still bearish, but we shall see, guys. We could pretty much just retrace to the upside, and yeah. We're about to sweep those lows. Okay, so on the 5 minute we already broke the structure to the downside. So I would like to wait for some sort of retrace to the upside at first, and then due to the bearish SMT I could just like enter on that and short that bitch. Yeah, it's kind of looking like a good retracement. We could make one more SMT on that. But if we just grab those highs and don't push to London's one, and yeah, that could look good for me if we just make a like a bearish SMT again, and under the influence of two bearish SMTs, I'll enter. And on NQ, those relatively equal highs are freaking me out a little bit, so I have to be cautious about that. Okay, we took those highs. For now, it's looking very bullish. Yeah. Just push this downside right now to grab those relatively equal lows. Yeah, we definitely could do that. Bro, just pushing without me. No, don't push without me. Because, like, yeah, we are making this relatively equal highs, but yeah, and we will definitely go up to them, so. But we could very well just first grab those relatively equal lows on the ES and then grab those highs. Pretty much possible, doesn't it? I will definitely take those out, but again, and that was a good thing to enter off of if I, for example, did here, right? But to be honest, bro, like, look at the risk reward. I wouldn't enter on like that. Why should I even like till what? Till that point with 0.33 risk reward? What's the point? Yeah, we closed close to this equilibrium. We hit it, so we haven't broken the structure uh to the upside to the downside on ES. So Yeah, why no? Or it could be just a change of the trend and the end of the all-time highs era, and we'll just short that bitch till the end of like till the last low I marked out. Okay, let's push pushing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we are entering. I entered, guys. Risk reward ratio isn't that good, to be honest. It's like 1. But I'll probably widen my take profit after that, so it wouldn't be that bad. Honestly, my entry is kinda here. And it was because of that liquidity, because of relatively equal highs, was because of the double SMT. I was an equilibrium, and it was a break of structure, so it was a really A plus setup, as I wanted to say. But yeah, probably market just well, that is kind of possible. Yeah, I got stopped up. Not yet, but I will be. So risking 300. How that? So I got stopped out. We lost like 332.5. Why was it like? What's with the fees in here? So we're pushing to the downside significantly. Because that was a retracement, right, on the 5 minute. Yeah, I think I will just short. Because I entered. Wait, let me see where exactly did I enter. Okay, approximately like here. Yeah, just as I thought, we are pushing to the outside. Essentially, the market just showing what I said. Yeah, I got stopped out, but I told you guys that InQ was about to take those highs. I knew that it didn't happen, but I said before that it could either grab those highs, or it could be a break of like hours, end of the year or full-time highs, and we'll just short till the eternity, which genuinely just happened. And yeah, it's kinda just happening. And I will short till those highs, I assume. Yeah, what about the take profit? What about my stop loss? I'll probably make it like here. And yeah, if we like break the structure here, that will be bad for me, to be honest, because market probably not gonna reverse just now, but they could retrace to the upside. Yeah, and since we are making this fair value gap on the like 5 minute. Okay, now we're pushing to the downside, which is good for me. I'll definitely not switch my take profit any lower. I'll just leave it how it is. Then it's bad, but it is what it is. Oh, but it's not like okay. It'll be a bad thing for me, brass. Yeah, I got stopped out. So I'm down 540 today. And guys, so I think I'm done for today. There is no point to look for anything in here. So yeah guys, that's it. We have finished the trading day, and see you guys tomorrow.